Okay, in the last section we went over arithmetic, and now we're going to be using the explicit formula for geometric sequences. It's going to kind of be the same deal here. This is going to be the a sub n, that's the a sub n term. Then we need to get that there as well. Then the first term, a sub 1, is going to be right there, so that'll be 3. And then we've got to find the common ratio. That's not going to be that hard because all we have to do is divide the a sub 2 by the a sub 1, which is just simply 5 divided by 3. So the ratio is 5/3. So we are set up nice for this problem here. That's going to be that right there. Okay, so let's get to it. We have a sub 9, the ninth term, is going to be 3 times 5/3 to the power of n minus 1. Alright, so a sub 9 is now 3 times 5/3 to the power of 8. Okay, well, that's going to get interesting. Continue down here, we got a sub 9. That's still going to be 3 times, okay, 5 to the power of 8, and then 3 to the power of 8. That's quite complicated, so we're going to go to Desmos for that. Alright, so I've got 5/3, and we're going to do that to the power of 8. So, right there. Okay. 59.537. That's quite a bit. So I'm not going to write that entire thing down. What I'm going to do is multiply it now. I think it was the ninth term, right? Let me go back here. No. That's yeah, it's the ninth term. So then, okay, a sub 1 was 3. That's what I'm looking for. Just type that in, 3. And I've got 178.61. So if I go back here, it wants me to go to the nearest thousandth. So 178.61. I'm going to have to go 2 more and then round. 2. Actually, it was 2.3 if you round that because it was 2.25. All right, now I'm going to look here. I'm going to keep that at 6.12. So my solution is right here, 178 and 612 thousandths. Okay, they want us to find the eighth term here. So let's get to work again. We have the nth term right there. That's 8. Put that there. The first term is going to be 18, so that's our a sub 1 value. And then the ratio we'll get by taking a sub 2 and dividing a sub 1. That's going to be 30 divided by 18, which we actually can simplify. 6 goes into both, so that'll be 5/3. So 5/3 again. The ratio is 5/3. Okay. So now it's time to write this out, and then we can go to Desmos. So we want the eighth term, so a sub 8 equals first term 18 times 5/3 to the 8 minus 1. So we know that that's actually 18 times 5/3 to the power of 7. All right, let's go to Desmos. All right, this one was a little different. I want to do 18. 5/3 is still the common ratio, but this time it's 7. 643.004. So a sub 8 is 633.004. I'm just going to double check. Yeah. Oh, 643. Not 633. 643 and 0.004. Okay. Okay, please try this one on your own. I will be back with my solution in just a moment. Okay, once you plug in the nth term, which is the 7th term, you plug in a sub 1, which is 11, and you find the common ratio, which is 2, you're going to be able to plug these in, and it'll give you an answer of 704. So the 7th term is 704.